My name is Elifurni. I'm the director of Elifurni Furniture Limited. It has been in existence for nearly 34 years. Our core business is manufacturing, woodwork, and that's all we do. We decided to go solar because of the cost of electricity so that we can remain competitive.
We are a solar EPC company. We deal with solar installations from the process of development, procurement, and actual installation up to operation and maintenance of solar systems. So we install solar for various clients, institutions, residentials, and even commercial, which is large industries. We are installing a 50 kilowatt solar system. 50 kilowatt is having 93 panels. Each panel is producing 550 watts to run the factory. The system is grid-tie system, meaning that it does not have any storage. You're consuming solar as it comes. So it makes the system very feasible and also very simple to install and use.
We expect to cut down expenses on electricity by 30–40%, depending on how efficient we get. Solar, because of going green, we need to conserve the environment. The sun will come anyway and it will go. So it's being wasted. And diesel is also not clean energy.
We have a diesel generator that we have been using as an alternative when we are having blackout during the day. The cost of running the diesel generator is the same as the cost of electricity.
It's quite timely that we can do 24 hours. During the day we are supported by solar, and then during the night then we use the KPLC power. Equity are a lot easier to deal with in terms of conditionalities, and they were offering solar as a part of their capital investment on manufacturers. We banked with them for a long time. We found their conditions very dear. We are happy to partner with Equity on this.
One of the biggest barriers to solar is usually the initial capital. We partnered with Equity and we were able to come up with a financing model where Equity can be able to fund for the project and you pay in smaller installments. So that means that you get to enjoy the facility without having to output high investment in the system. Given the savings of the system, this money comes back to you, so you have a very good ROI.
The capacity is about 51 megawatts. Our capacity at the moment is about 150.
We are expecting from 20 to 30% savings on their consumption, annual consumption, and also now transfer the same to the customers. Of the many tenets of renewable energy, solar is usually the most feasible and the simplest to use. Solar works for all clients. This one is large because it's for an industrial customer, but now for your own use, you need a smaller system. And also for residential, you also need batteries because you find that for residential, you use at night mostly.